Alright my guys, we are back and today we are in a 2021 Kia Rio. Honestly, I feel kind of disrespected that they gave me this car though. But let's take a quick look around the outside though. This thing is powered by a small 4-liter. Again, this is just gonna be a simple quick review on the vehicle. Tons of leg room up in front and in the back as well too though. Exterior color is nice, is a nice pearl white. Decent trunk space. And let's see, we don't get a spare tire underneath here though. We do get a quick repair kit though, in case you do get a flat in this vehicle though. Again, the Kia Rio, best competitor to the Chevy Spark. And if I had to compare the two of them, Kia Rio wins every time. And again, compared to a Chevy Spark, this is luxurious. You got heated seats, you got have a little sport mode going on in here, manual mode, AC, max AC, and when you put it in reverse, this is the screen you get right here. So overall, not a bad little vehicle though. How does it compare to sedans? It doesn't compete with sedans. This thing is in the small hatchback area though. Like, it's not gonna get any bigger or better than this, to be honest though. So then again, we're gonna quickly go on a little test drive on some back roads that seem to have a lot of traffic today actually though, which is actually kind of crazy. But then again, this is why we do these reviews, people. This is why we do these quick little drives in this small little vehicles. Oh yeah, the engine really does come alive around 4,000 to 5,000 RPM though. This thing is paired with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Again, you can put it in manual mode for auto selector, but again, you're not really getting this car for the thrills of it though. You're really getting this car for the size and the fuel economy, because this thing is really good on gas. Arguably one of the most fuel efficient vehicles I've been in all this time reviewing cars. Now let's quickly go over the engine size. This thing has a 1.6 inline 4-liter. That's literally the best you get out of this one. Produces around 120 horsepower and 0 to 60 in around 8.6 seconds. Again, nothing crazy, but again, you're not getting this car for the speed or the performance or anything like that. You're getting this car for the gas efficiency. That's the one reason you're getting this car though. And again, for the price, because this thing's MSRP is well below 25k. And you can get one brand pretty new or just slightly used for a really good price. I can see the type of people driving this car are students who just got their licenses, as this thing is way more forgiving. It doesn't have the horsepower to scare them. It doesn't have any of the crazy tech or features that's gonna make them go broke through maintenance. It's a pretty well-rounded, tiny little vehicle though. But then again, we all know that there's gonna be one teenager who's gonna try and add a turbo to this, or straight pipe it, or something along those lines though. But then again, this vehicle is just out here for gas economy though. And it is a pretty light vehicle though, so when it is winter time and it is snowing outside, I would highly recommend you get yourself a good set of winter tires, a shovel, and yeah, some bags as well too, and some blankets, because again, we are in Canada bro. The Canadian winter out here is brutal. Arguably one of the least forgiving winters out there on the planet. So big shout out to Durham Kia for letting me have this vehicle for a short period of time to shoot this quick little POV video. Shout out to Durham Kia. You can find them on Taunton Road in Oshawa North. There you can get all the cars your heart desires. Again, this is Durham Kia that kind of hooked me up with this vehicle. And overall, I don't know, this vehicle just seems like a nice little cruiser though. I wouldn't recommend you going for more than 4 hours driving in this thing because it's not the most comfortable vehicle out there, but it is still pretty practical at the same time though. Easy to park, easy to maneuver. You can go pretty much anywhere with this vehicle except for off-roading. Don't try going off-roading with this thing. Ground clearance is pretty good though. Better than most performance cars actually though. It's just because this thing is a little short hatchback and it does its job so much better though than what most conventional vehicles do though. Again, with a trunk space and a small engine, you're gonna get immaculate, I just like to say the word immaculate gas mileage though. And here we are. We're just gonna do one quick walk around of the outside after a quick little drive like this, just to see some reviews on this. Anything better this vehicle could do though, honestly, for its little class and price, this is a perfect little car for basically daily purposes. This is like the perfect grocery getter for somebody who doesn't have a family, and just like small friends as well too. So quick little walk around one more last time. And this is Morty signing off.